Okay, we're fixing again. As you can see, the Loctite set on the wrist pin, and that's holding fair enough, and really all I needed to do is keep the wrist pin from rattling left and right so it won't scratch the side of the cylinder liner. And I did a teeny bit of polishing, but I didn't get any of those scores out because they're pretty deep already. So I just carefully assembled everything and kind of rotated it. And the thing I'm going to fix now is that the sleeve, when it's pushed back in, is not proud of the rest of the engine. So I don't think it's sealing properly, and I'm apparently not going to be able to reach around my camera very well. But the secret is I'm going to use some thread from a sewing machine. And what I'm going to do, I have this little piece, just going to wrap it around, what is that, 3 wraps. Stay out of the way. Let's see. Put a dab of oil on there so that thread will stay put for a minute. And slide that in, and look at that. That little bit of thread is just enough, and it's springy and soft, so it's holding the cylinder liner out, just proud of the casting, or of the rest of the engine rather. It's not a casting, it's been machined. And then I can very carefully put the head gasket on, and that string is going to make, or the thread back there is going to hold the cylinder sleeve against the head gasket instead of the head gasket being pressed on the machine cylinder body there, the rest of the engine. So that should make everything seal better. And what I'm going to do after that, well, I'm just going to put these screws in finger tight. So I'm not using a bolt pattern on here because they're not getting finally tightened, they're just getting kind of spun in. Turn around here and get the big end reassembled here real quick. Let's see. Alright. It's always the dicey bit. Getting 2 halves to go on there. Alright, put that half like that. Pull the Alright. There we go. we go. Push that back against there. And then get the other half in. And then get the cap on. Alright. Well, this is all finger tight. You saw the cheaty little fix I made without a whole lot of tools. And I am going to tighten the I'm going to tighten things back up, and next we'll try to get this running. So